Hello YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and today I'm going to be doing some Pop Smoke inspired braids, SAWEETIE inspired braids with the beads. So stay tuned and I'm gonna get started. I'm about to begin. I washed my hair today, conditioned it, did my rice water treatment, blow dried it, and just plaited it up because I cooked and other things. So now I'm finally ready to do something with this head of mine. The braids that I did lasted about 7 weeks, and they didn't look bad. It's just like scalp braids I don't like to leave in that long. And then I started working, and so under my hat and stuff, my braids started to frizz up and whatnot. So I decided to take them down, and I've been eyeing these braids for a while. So I'm gonna come back when these are all done and I'm ready to begin my parts. Alright guys, I am back and I have all my little braids out. I can tell that the braids I've been doing on my hair has grown my hair out tremendously, especially the back. The rice water, I can tell it's thickening up my hair. But yeah, so I'm happy with the results. That's why I don't really like to manipulate my hair and keep it out for too long. I love my puffs, but just like letting my hair and leaving it alone has been helping it a lot. So the products I'm gonna be using is my rat tail comb, of course, my gel, my clips, my wide tooth comb, and this gel. I love this gel. I recently just tried it. A hairstylist had put it on my hair before, and I was like, dang, this cut my hair down really nicely, and I enjoyed it. I went to the store and I couldn't find any clear beads, so I just picked up some white ones. Hopefully they'll come out cute. If not, then I'll just take them out. But of course, I'm using my easy braid. I freaking love this hair. Pre-stretched, it's long. I gotta do nothing really hard to it. So before I get braiding or anything, I'm finna section off my hair and get my parts together. And I'm gonna begin with this middle part. I've been seeing people like put gel. I never thought to do this until I was watching their videos. But I've been seeing people put gel like on their parts. So when they part it, their part comes out super straight. I may have to call for the assistance of my mother because I cannot see and it's ticking me off, y'all. So I had to get some assistance from my mama. So the first part is supposed to go in front of the ear. you guys. So I went ahead and did one side just so it'll be better, easy for me to part. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I did this. It was so hard for me to part. Like, if I do this style again, I believe the second time of me doing it will look better. That's usually how it goes for me. Once I do the style the first time, it's a little iffy. And then the second time I do it, it ends up looking a lot better. I have another chair here, I'm just putting my sections on them because I don't have one of those wooden braiding things yet. Need to invest.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
My water is boiling. I'm gonna do a few things to my head. I'm gonna go in with some oil. It's not the wild growth oil. I have some castor oil in here actually. Skip the flyaways. So I'm gonna go oil these ends. So my ends are nice and boiled. And what I do is I get a bobby pin and put it around the braid and just loop the beads on. Okay, so I'm back and all my beads are on and I'm ready to reveal the finished product. So this is how it looks. With the beads. So hopefully you guys liked. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.